Okay, we're back and we're going to do a little experimenting because I'm going to put some white. This is a base, so I'm going to put that down there. Then I'm going to come in with different paints. These are paints that I just oh, there's a dog really getting angry. The paints that I'm using are Vallejo, Winsor & Newton, and they have my varnish in it because I want to check something out, see if that works. So we're going to put these really in your face colors in there. It's sort of falling right through. As I can see, it's going down, but that's okay. We can live with that. A little bit of yellow on top. Then something with a little bit of silicone in it. And then I have the white, which is only Floetrol and titanium. Put that on top of that. And I want some blue. And then I'm going to put back on the white. Okay, then I'm going to come down with my little straw. It doesn't have much room. But now we're going to release it. Ooh, okay. And let's see what happens when we release the whole thing. It is moving, but not really doing like I thought it was going to do. Let's see. I'm going to try and keep this a little bit central, the colors in the middle. Okay, now let's see if we torch it, if something happens. Well, this is really pretty, but the rest, I'm not sure about the rest. There isn't much cell action going on. And I just might have to blow something on top of it. But this is really nice. This bit here, that is really pretty. Let's see if we can stretch that out a bit. Yeah, that's kind of pretty. See that? That's kind of nice. Let's get you back in focus. But the rest just does not do anything. So let me think about this. This is pretty, but we'll have to sacrifice it. We just have to. Okay. That is kind of nice. Turn it around. Ooh, I gotta watch out before it turns to gray. Let's see what happens here. Nothing much happening. And that's probably because there's no silicone in there. So is it a keeper? No, it's not. So let's do something to it. just because we can. Let's see, I have something here which does have silicone in it. I'm pretty sure it does. We're gonna pull that over and pull this one down here. Ooh, I like those colors. Very different colors. We're going to let that do its thing. And we're going to pull that down here. Okay, that's it, because I'm just going to use it maybe for some jewelry. And there's not much in here that is really pretty. Maybe just that bit here. Oh, you can't see it because you got the shadow. Maybe just this little bit here. Maybe this down here. Yeah, that's okay. But this is blah. That is blah. That we don't like. So just maybe this little bit here. But that's okay. It's on paper. It's not a big waste. So we can move on and go to the next experiment. So thanks for watching.